Jackets and Wild.
Talk about a marquee matchup for sure. Here's Hartman with a bad angle shot that Ward stopped. Rebound to Rask. The Hurricanes will send it deep. Brent Seabrook chasing it down. Seabrook with 5 assists over his last 7 games. Backhands this all the way to center, and Marin, who was well covered. Anisimov has nobody with him. He's surrounded. There were 5 red sweaters encircling him. Now a steal by Anisimov, who gains the line to Kane. Looking back to the middle, Anisimov. It's sticked away by Slavin. And Stahl got it out. Now Campbell will gain the line. Weak shot handled easily by Ward. Anisimov stripped of it by Stahl. And Slavin with plenty of skating room. And behind it goes. And winds up in the corner.
The TVR took a sticker, an elbow from Stahlberg there.
Stahlberg has it in behind. Centered one that deflects a couple of times. Who's going to get it? Nordstrom did. Al Murphy walks down low. His pass tipped by Panik, who centered it. Here's McClement. He threw it in front, picked off, and the Hawks finally do get it out.
A couple of times there on that last shift, Carolina had a chance to get the puck to the net, Pat, but chose to make a different play. That's happened about 5 or 6 times in this period. Hawks will certainly take that.
Carroll pressuring Murphy. Traffic trouble in behind the net. And Carroll gets it back, centered. Oh, it just missed Hjalmarsson to Keith. Rasmussen. And it sticked away by Lars Dahlbeck, the ex-Blackhawk. And his centering pass never connected with the Carroll, and the Canes able to get it out.
A little bit of a push here.
Nordstrom trying to answer. That's offside. The Hurricanes were changing players, and the guy going off was inside the zone with his skate still on the ice. So it's still 2-1.